y cabronas. No me voy a olvidar de ustedes and everyone else in between. All my LGBTQIA plus people, gender non-conforming, gender expansive, gender fluid, binary, non-binary, everyone is welcome. My name is Edgar. Today we're going to be making pesto. Pesto originated in Genoa, the capital city of Liguria, around the 19th century or so. What I've done here, I got 4 basil pots. I buy them at Trader Joe's just because I love the quality. Basil leaves from there happen to be very plump and very big. As you can see here, they're beautiful. Look at how gorgeous these are. But I have about 3 cups, maybe 3.5 of basil leaves. I've prepped them already. See this big bowl? I have some ingredients that I'm gonna use that are not very traditional in a pesto recipe, but it is my pesto recipe, so if you don't agree with them, then you can. For example, tomatoes, vine red tomatoes. We're gonna be using those 3. I'll show you how to prep them. A cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. 2/3 of a cup of pine nuts. 2/3 of a cup of almonds. 2 tablespoons of red crushed pepper. Lemon zest of an entire lemon. I love lemon. Ajo. 6 dientes de ajo. That means 6 garlic cloves. And the juice of the entire lemon that I zest earlier. All right. Hey, what's the next step? We're gonna take the vine ripe tomatoes, take them off the vine, obviously. So you can see here that I have 2 pots with boiling water because I just want to blanch these almonds in that hot water. This small one here. And that's just to loosen up the outer shell or the little skin, the skin that's on around the almond. You can just literally squeeze the almond and it'll come right out of the skin. But for your tomatoes, I have boiling water right here. I just want to score them. But yeah, the skin will begin to peel off once that starts happening. You can either use tongs, fork, your fingers, and then we'll go from there. All right, everyone. So now we got our tomatoes out of the fire or off the fire. We're gonna be taking the skin off of the tomatoes. How easily they come out. Look at this. Bam. I don't want to do it too hard because then they start flying out. But see, it comes out super easy. Told you. There's 1 less almond in my pesto. 2! All right, you get the point. 3. Throw them in there. Keep them safe. So I'm done with that tedious work of peeling all the almonds. You say, why didn't you just buy peeled and toasted almonds, you dumbass? Because I like going through the entire process. It's kind of therapeutic for me. I just love cooking, so I don't mind the extra little step. 2/3 of a cup of almonds here, peeled, and then the tomatoes. So let's go. In a pan. It's hot already. Throw in your almonds. Want that nice roasted deep flavor. It's just gonna another layer of flavor to the pesto. A lot of people just throw in the pine nuts and the almonds in there and call it a day. These will toast a little quicker, so keep your eye on them. You notice that I was leaving the almonds unattended for a little bit, doing stuff around here, cleaning up. Okay, so what's the next step? Remember I told you about those tomatoes, how they're not done being prepped. I have here the peeled tomato. I'm just going to slice them in half. And we're going to seed this because I do not want the pesto to be watery. So I'm just gonna go in. You can scoop it with a spoon. You don't have to do the knife. I like to use this organic extra virgin olive oil from Carapelli. I've been using this for a long time. I cook with this all the time. Really good olive oil. Not too acidic. It's nice and fresh. Love that olive oil. All right, let's put this pesto together. Here I have my food processor. If you don't have one, too bad. They work amazing. I love my food processor. It's old, but it still works, so I love it. All right, in here we're going to put the pesto. A mortar will actually work really good. I want a mortar, a huge one with the wooden pesto, but maybe I'll get that next Christmas. Anyways, put your basil leaves inside the food processor. The toasted pine nuts. Some almonds. And let's add 2 garlic cloves. I won't add all the lemon zest. I add it kind of towards the end. I don't want it to get emulsified in the entire thing. And then just the salt pepper mix, pink Himalayan salt, ground black pepper, then your red pepper flakes, your tomatoes. Who cares if the little pit is still in there? A lot of people like to take it off. It's still gonna get blended anyway, so why not, right? You're gonna add the rest of the basil, stems and all. Careful with your fingers, the blade is in there, it's very sharp. We're gonna add the rest of the garlic, the rest of the crushed red pepper, the rest of the pine nuts, and the rest of the almonds, okay? Tomato, lemon zest, all of it. The juice of the entire lemon. Ugh. And salt and pepper. The rest of the salt and pepper. To taste, of course. Let's see how it came out. Look at that beautiful color. Take this out. Look at that. So good. Promise you will not be disappointed. This is probably the best pesto ever. Look at that. Just like Nona makes it. And I don't even have a Nona. That's it. If you like this recipe, I'm gonna be uploading a lot more videos. The next one is gonna be how to incorporate this into a pasta. It's a vegetarian pasta. I'm also gonna make it with shrimp. So tune in for that. Please subscribe. This is Cooking with Pride, Cocinando con Orgullo. And I'm very proud of this pesto. Buen appetito. Ciao, adios. See you later, everyone. Thank you for watching.